We were back from the Poconos and we're looking for stuff to sell.
Oh, I saw a thing back there.
I know, but the guy was out on the lawn.
Oh. Look at the webs.
Yeah, that's Halloween decorations.
Oh, it's a dragon.
None of the other two kids wanted to come, but Lex always wants to go for the ride. That's fine though. I like Lex's opinion on things. Other drivers, what people are doing at the curb, how they're looking at us. Lex has an opinion for everything. Ain't that right, Lex?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, was that wood out there?
Yeah, it's a lot of wood. If you could get money for used wood,
Oh,
we'd be
what's
millionaires.
that?
We're gonna take a look. We're gonna take a look. That's wood.
Wood. Metal.
Okay, we're at the Joanne dumpster. Here's one. Take a quick peek. Okay. I think I got magazines. Hold on. Okay, I did get some magazines from Joanne's dumpster. And these are the magazines that sell right here. The HGTV ones. These magazines are sealed in plastic that come with like crafts and stuff. Now we gotta check to see if all the pieces are in that. That's perfect. I had to dig deep with my grabber for this one because Eric didn't want to come. I got Lex. Say hi, Lex.
Hi.
And she doesn't go in dumpsters. She wants to, but I'll get in trouble. So let's put this cardboard box back. Okay, not a bad start. What did you see back there?
I see a ShopRite bag
That's
with leaves in it.
right. You actually can't cash in a ShopRite bag with leaves in it. It's not really worth anything.
That's broken. Look at it.
What is it there, Lex?
A toilet seat that's broken.
Oh. Well, we don't want that. Here, I think we found what looks to be a kid's chair. Let's go check it out. Really good condition here, kid's chair. Nice. Alexa.
I saw my old friends.
They were not your old friends. We're in a whole different school district. So they weren't your old friends.
Aww. The sun is blocking.
Okay, I think we found some stuff here at the curb. It's coming up empty. Bad. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Catcher's mitt. These always sell. This will actually sell on eBay. I'm gonna put these roller skates inside on the floor. And this catcher's mitt too. CD holder. Oh, this has got metal. They both got metal, so. see all this baseball equipment? This will sell. That's a silver dollar pancake maker. That might sell at the yard sale. Golf bag, I'm taking it. See all this catcher's equipment, this will sell. Because this stuff is not cheap. Baseball helmets. Oh yeah, this is a good pick. Yeah, see this right here is a Rawlings chest protector. Yeah, most definitely. Ew. Take that. Real good pick right here. Golf umbrella. Let's see what else is here. Folding table. We'll take it. You can either use it for the yard sales or to sell it. Nice. Now see, this is all resellable stuff. There's another scrapper in this neighborhood. He beat me to a lawnmower, but he could have the lawnmower. I'll take this stuff any day of the week. Well, that's broke, Lex. But this sled is not. Yeah, it's a sled. It's not, and it's not cracked, so. Yeah, there. You know what, Lex? Let's take it home. We'll look at it at home. We could always put it in our trash. Let's see what else. That's a little Garmin GPS. Here, just put that inside. I'm gonna actually see what. You know what? Let's put these on the floor. They're light bulbs. Still in the box. Okay. That's a Christmas tree. The scrapyard doesn't take Christmas trees. They don't really weigh up that much. Okay. We're just about done here. I better get the. I want to take one look under this mattress. We're out of here. Let's take one more look. Yeah, there's too much trash, and I'm not wearing gloves. I just was let me get out of here before somebody comes out. I did trash the curb though. So let's get out of here. We got enough stuff. Nice curb pick.
Dad, the garment's dead.
What is that?
The garment.
I know, it needs to be charged. Or it needs a cord.
Yeah.
But let me go.
We already have one, right?
We have one, but I gotta double check. You know what? Let's just get out of here.
Make this stick on here so it can.
I didn't see a cord there, so.
Oh, it's an old truck. Our old one.
Yes. Okay, I think I found a scooter on the street.
It's a razor.
No, but it's
Hey, it's broken.
electric razor scooter. Okay. I'll use it. Son of a bitch. I cursed.
Dad, there's a bag in there.
It's fine.
Like a plastic bag. And it's like, the cords are like broken. And it's like B.
Okay.
Is it this? No. Wait, which one is Ashley's house?
Around the corner.
Oh. Is that, no?
So we're heading back home. Well, you know, we're out for a little while. We got a lot of sporting equipment, magazines, a small kid's wooden chair that's in really excellent condition. So it wasn't a bad little ride. So taking Lex back home. So it was, you know, a nice little Columbus Day ride. So, and we got some merchandise to sell. Talk to you later. Yeah, I think we just found a little bit of metal. It's getting late, so. I know, we're fine, Lex. My gloves on. Yeah, this looks like part of the gym apparatus. Yeah, I left enough room to get by. Oh, it's part of a weight bench. It's got a little bit of weight to it. That's not bad. Anything else? What did I say? Okay. We're Checking another pile at the curb. The condition of these chairs. They're wood. Nah, doesn't look. Chairs are all cracked. Pretty beat. Okay. So yesterday we did collect a little bit of scrap metal. Not a large amount, but by the end of the week, or within the next couple of days, we'll fill it up. We'll run the truck over. We'll see what the price is. But some of the good stuff we did collect. We already listed this wood chair. Listed it on Marketplace this morning, $6. I just gotta wipe this down, this golf bag. It's not too bad of shape. That'll go on Marketplace. That was the folding table. We're gonna use that actually in our next yard sale, and then probably, you know, if we want to sell it, we can sell it. And we had this catcher's equipment. In the bag, the chest protector, the knee pads, shin guards. But the item that's going to be really a nice shot was, hold on, is this catcher's mitt. I said it's got the MLB logo, and we're going to list this one on eBay, and it's called a Proto catcher's mitt, and means it's got this MLB logo. The solds that are on eBay are actually up there from anywhere from $50 to $90. So we're gonna list this on eBay. It's got a little bit of wear to it, but I'll probably put it on like $69 with a best offer plus shipping. This will fit in the padded flat rate. It'll ship anywhere in the country for $7.50. So not a bad deal for yesterday. So, and we got some people coming to hopefully pick some stuff up today that was posted last week. So yesterday, all in all, was a good day.